Rock Computer College. Define quality training in information technology.
Now let's look at how to create a new publication using either a template or a blank page. And we'll also learn how to customize our publication by modifying the page layout, adding a new template, and adding, deleting, and rearranging pages. So first, let's look at creating a new publication from a template. To do this, go to the File tab, then select New, then select the template you want to work with. To give you a preview, select Create, and it will be created for you. Now, if you want to create a publication from a blank page, just go back to the File tab, again select New, then select the blank portrait you want to work with, and it will be created for you. Now let's look at customizing your publication layout. Now when we say customizing your publication layout, we're talking about setting up the page margins, the size, and the orientation. Now I'll use this template that I have over here. Now to do that, to change the page layout, you come to the page design group and select and locate the page setup group. So page design tab, page setup group. Now from here you can select the margin option that you want. You can go with moderate, and it will apply the changes to your publication. And if none of these suits your needs, you can still go to custom margins, make your own changes, then select OK, and they'll be applied to your publication. Again, with orientation, you can select whether you want a portrait orientation or a landscape orientation. Some will work with both, some will not, like mine. And then we have the size. You can come and change the size of the document that you want. You can go for any of the sizes that we have over here. Select A4. But if you find that none of them suit your needs, you can still come and create new page size. And then once you're done, click OK, and the new page size will be created for you. Now, if you create a publication from a template and you later decide the chosen template doesn't suit your needs, you can always change it. You can always apply a new template to a publication where you had chosen another template. Now, to do this, select the page design tab over here. Now, I want to change the template. I don't really like this one. So come to the page design group and select change templates. And it will give you other templates that you can work with. You can select whichever one you want, then select OK. And you can make your changes over here. You can customize the template from over here. Then once you're done, click OK. Select apply template to the current publication, then click OK. And its layout will change. As you can see now, I have a different layout. Now lastly, let's look at adding, rearranging, and deleting pages. So I'll undo this. Now I want to work with these two. I have two pages over here. Now let's say you want to add a new page to your publication. So what you do is that you come to the page navigation pane. This is the page navigation pane. And if you can see it, you can come to the view tab. Then under the show group, select the page navigation command. So right now it's on. If I do this, it's off. So make sure it's checked so that you can view it. Now we want to add another page to this. So what you do is you right click on a page, then select insert page. It will ask you whether you want to insert a page before the current page or after. So I want mine after. Then once you make your changes over here, I want only one page. You can do 2 pages, 3 pages if you want. Then click OK. And the new page will be inserted in the page navigation pane. Let's say you want to rearrange the pages. All you have to do is just click, select it first, then drag it to where you want to position it. So I'll do that with the third one. So I'll just drag it until I see that horizontal line over there, then I drop it. So that's how you rearrange. You just select it, click and drag it until you see that horizontal line, then you drop it. So that's how you rearrange the pages. And again, if you want to delete the pages, just right click on the page that you want to delete, then select delete, and that page will be deleted for you.